Stocks rose as President Donald Trump adopted a less aggressive stance on global trade, increasing optimism about his policies supporting corporate America. Bonds eased from the recent rise in yields that disrupted markets. The dollar showed mixed movement during trading. More than 400 shares in the S&P 500 advanced, pushing the index nearly 1% higher. Trump announced a major investment initiative for artificial intelligence involving SoftBank Group, OpenAI, and Oracle.
In the future, a new American company that will invest $500 billion at least in AI infrastructure in the United States.
An exchange-traded fund focused on companies with AI exposure reached a 3-year high. Small-cap stocks gained as investors bet on benefits from Trump's protectionist policies. Trump's executive orders boosted space-related stocks while weighing on electric vehicle manufacturers. An ETF tracking large Chinese companies rose as Trump refrained from imposing tariffs on China. Treasury yields remained near their lowest levels of the year. The Mexican peso and Canadian dollar fell after Trump outlined plans to impose tariffs on both countries by February 1st. According to Mohit Kumar of Jefferies International, deregulation and less severe tariffs are expected to benefit riskier assets. Lower tariffs and potentially lower oil prices are seen as positive factors for interest rates. Callie Cox from Ritholtz Wealth Management suggested it is time to assess which tariff-related speculations were accurate and which were unfounded. She noted that Trump faces significant challenges regarding debt ceiling negotiations. Debt ceiling standoffs often create ripple effects in short-term interest rates as investors shift from vulnerable Treasury bills to other securities. The S&P 500 gained 0.9%, while the Nasdaq 100 rose 0.6%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 1.2%, and the Russell 2000 rallied 1.8%. A measure of the Magnificent Seven megacap stocks increased by 0.3%. Netflix surged after reporting its largest quarterly subscriber growth in history. United Airlines issued an optimistic forecast for future performance. The yield on 10-year treasuries fell by 7 basis points to 4.56%. The presidential scorecard of stock market performance resets with Trump's return to the White House. Under Joe Biden's presidency, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 39.4%, which is 18 percentage points less than during Trump's first term. Biden's Dow performance also trailed the 149.4% increase during Barack Obama's presidency. Bespoke Investment Group noted that despite being the weakest among the last 3 presidents, Biden's performance was still strong.